Have you ever been in a situation where you had to read and understand a large set of multidisciplinary documents within a short period of time and provide accurate answers? It commonly occurs in the engineering teams, where engineers tasked to provide accurate proposals or bid submission documents according to specifications, or getting specific answers during multidiscipline technical review meetings, or calling the expert to troubleshoot the equipment while on site. Well, it is challenging. That is why we introduced the instant search feature in IEHUB, where user will have the ability to group and share the required project documents to get specific answers within a few clicks. Every stakeholder will have a query pertaining to their department. For every search, the IEHUB provides reliable response backed by the citations within the documents that are provided for instant search. The citations will help the user to confirm on the accuracy of the response. For engineering projects, the number of questions are endless, and so are the documents. This is where our solution comes handy. Ready to delve deep into the documents, backed up by IEHUB.AI search feature.